Do you know how much money faulty farm machines are eating up from your hard-earned savings every year? It could be lakhs of rupees. Your valuable farm equipment, crucial for timely operations and maximizing yields during critical seasons like Kharif and Rabi, might be costing you a fortune if not looked after properly. This isn't just about breakdowns, it's about lost yield and wasted fuel. Don't let your biggest investment become a liability. In this video, we will reveal the top 10 essential farm equipment maintenance tips specifically for Indian farmers. You'll learn the right methods for daily cleaning, proper lubrication, and crucial filter care. We will also highlight common mistakes to avoid and explain exactly how these practical steps will boost your profits and extend your machinery's lifespan for many years. Imagine your tractor running smoothly, consuming less fuel, and never breaking down during the crucial harvest period. With these proven strategies, you can save lakhs of rupees annually, prevent costly repairs like a 75,000 rupees engine overhaul, and ensure your equipment performs at its peak, season after season. Get ready to transform your farm's efficiency and profitability with simple, effective maintenance. Today, we are diving into the top 10 farm equipment maintenance tips, tailored specifically for Indian farmers, designed to save you significant money. Your farm machinery represents a substantial investment, absolutely vital for timely field operations and maximizing your yields during critical seasons like Kharif and Rabi. These essential tips are not just about extending the life of your machines, they are a powerful strategy to prevent costly breakdowns and ensure peak performance, directly impacting your farm's profitability. Let's make your valuable equipment work harder and smarter for you, year after year. Before we jump into our countdown, let's consider this. Do you know which single maintenance practice can save you the most money and prevent the biggest headaches on your farm? Is it daily cleaning, perhaps regular oil changes, or something else entirely that farmers often overlook? Many farmers inadvertently neglect simple steps that could prevent a massive 30,000 rupees plus engine overheating repair or a 5,000 rupees minus 10,000 rupees loss in yield due to downtime. Stay tuned as we count down to reveal the ultimate tips that keep your machinery running flawlessly and your pockets much fuller. Number 10. Regular cleaning. After each and every use, thoroughly clean your equipment. Crop residues, such as rice straw on a combine harvester or cotton stalk fragments on a cultivator, along with accumulated soil and chemicals, can cause severe corrosion, block moving parts, and hide potential damage. Use water, stiff brushes, and compressed air for effective cleaning. For sprayers used with pesticide for paddy, like Sona Masuri, or for vegetables, always flush the tank and nozzles with clean water to prevent chemical buildup. This simple habit prevents rust, extends machinery life by years, and allows early detection of issues, saving you 2,000 rupees minus 5,000 rupees annually in minor repairs. Number 9. Timely lubrication. Apply grease to all moving joints and change engine and transmission oils as recommended by the manufacturer. This crucial step significantly reduces friction, heat, and wear on critical components of your machinery. Consult your equipment manual for specific guidelines. Grease daily for high stress points like tractor linkages, rotavator bearings, and plow pivots. For a typical 45 HP tractor, change engine oil, such as say 15W40, every 250 to 300 operating hours, and transmission oil every 1000 hours. This practice prevents premature wear and catastrophic failures, saving you from a costly engine overhaul that can range from 25,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees, ensuring smooth operation during intensive use like tilling for wheat PBW 343 or maize. Number 8. Maintain correct tire pressure. Regularly checking and adjusting your tire pressure is an absolutely crucial maintenance task. Incorrect pressure leads to poor traction, dramatically increases fuel consumption, and accelerates tire wear, reducing their lifespan. Make it a habit to check your tires weekly, especially before any heavy field work. For optimal field performance, for instance when plowing 1 hectare for sugarcane, a typical tractor needs 12 to 16 psi in its rear tires and 28 to 32 psi in its front tires. This straightforward check improves fuel efficiency by 5 to 10%, saving you 50 rupees to 100 rupees per hour of tractor operation, and extends tire life by up to 20%, considering each tractor tire costs 10,000 rupees minus 25,000 rupees. Number 7. Tighten nuts and bolts. Periodically check and tighten all nuts and bolts on your farm equipment. Constant vibrations during operation can easily loosen fasteners, potentially leading to parts falling off, severe structural damage, and creating significant safety hazards. Make sure to regularly inspect all implements, such as seed drills calibrated for 100 to 120 kilograms per hectare of wheat seeds, and cultivators. Always pay extra attention to areas that are under high stress. This simple, often overlooked habit prevents costly structural damage. For example, a broken plow frame can cost 5,000 rupees minus 15,000 rupees to repair, and crucially, ensures the safety of the operator during all field operations. Number 6. Blade and tine inspection and replacement. Regularly inspect all cutting blades on your harvesters and fodder choppers, as well as the tines on your rotavators and cultivators. Dull or damaged parts drastically increase fuel consumption, reduce overall efficiency, and compromise the quality of your work, potentially leading to poor seedbed preparation for crops like mustard. Sharpen dull blades, such as those on a fodder chopper used for cattle feed. Replace worn-out rotavator tines after tilling approximately 5 to 10 hectares of average soil. This vital maintenance saves up to 15% fuel, improves work speed, and ensures better crop establishment and yield quality in the long run. Number 5. Monitor fluid levels. Always check your engine coolant, hydraulic fluid, and brake fluid levels regularly. These fluids are absolutely essential for proper engine cooling, the smooth and efficient operation of hydraulic implements like a loader for fertilizer, and overall operational safety. Make it a practice to check these levels daily before starting your machinery. Ensure that coolant levels are consistently between the minimum and maximum marks in the reservoir. Top up with recommended coolant, and never just plain water, especially in regions experiencing high temperatures, such as 40 degrees Celsius plus during summer. This prevents engine overheating, which can lead to repair costs exceeding 30,000 rupees, and ensures safe, efficient operation of implements like disc plows and cultivators. Number 4. Filter maintenance. Cleaning or replacing your air, fuel, and oil filters is a critical part of engine care. Filters are designed to protect the engine from harmful dust, dirt, and contaminants, ensuring it receives clean air and clean fuel for optimal combustion. Clean the air filter daily or weekly, particularly in very dusty conditions during tilling for Bt cotton. Replace fuel filters every 200 to 300 operating hours and always replace oil filters with every engine oil change. This diligent practice enhances your fuel efficiency by 5 to 10%, significantly extends your engine's life, and prevents costly issues with fuel injectors or carburetors that can bring your farming operations to a halt. Number 3. Proper storage. When your valuable farm equipment is not in use, storing it correctly is crucial for its longevity and performance. Proper storage protects against rust, harmful UV damage, and extreme weather conditions. Always clean machinery thoroughly before storage. Drain fuel from small engines, such as power tillers and sprayers, or fill tractor fuel tanks completely to prevent condensation and rust. Store all equipment in a dry, covered shed to shield it from the elements. For long-term storage, block up tires to prevent flat spots. This simple step extends your equipment's lifespan by many years, preventing rust, electrical failures, and costly refurbishments down the line. Number 2. Battery care. Taking proper care of your battery is essential for reliable starting and to power all your electrical systems consistently. Clean battery terminals regularly, check electrolyte levels, and ensure proper charging. Keep terminals free of corrosion. Applying petroleum jelly can help prevent this. For lead-acid batteries, check electrolyte levels monthly and top them up with distilled water. Crucially, keep batteries charged during long storage periods, for example, during the off-season for a paddy transplanter. This extends battery life by 1 to 2 years, saving you 4,000 rupees minus 10,000 rupees for a new tractor battery and preventing frustrating breakdowns exactly when you need your machine the most. Number 1. Pre-season and post-season checks. This is arguably the most crucial tip for saving money. Conduct comprehensive inspections before and after peak usage periods. This ensures your equipment is fully ready for critical operations and helps identify minor issues before they escalate into major, costly problems. Before Kharif planting for rice or maize, or Rabi planting for wheat or pulses, perform a full service covering all the maintenance points we've discussed. Calibrate your seed drills and planters accurately. After harvest, clean thoroughly, repair any minor damages, and prepare for proper storage. This prevents costly downtime during peak season, where a single day's delay during harvest can mean 5,000 rupees minus 10,000 rupees in lost yield or rental costs, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. By adopting these comprehensive maintenance practices, Indian farmers can significantly reduce their operational costs, enhance overall productivity, and extend the working life of their valuable farm machinery. This holistic approach ultimately leads to greater profitability and more sustainable farming practices for generations to come. Don't let your investment go to waste. Implement these tips and watch your savings grow, making your farm more efficient and prosperous. Subscribe to our channel for weekly updates and more practical farming advice. Please like this video, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to the AgriPlus channel.